So this force error is caused by movement of this drum. And there is a pipe here which is connecting to the pressure uh, sensor. So this pipe came off because of this movement. It was connected to this. I mean, it is the pipe has come behind this thing, and when it is moving, the pipe is coming off. So if you just fix this thing to this pressure sensor, it works. So I just uh, put a tag and fixed it. Now it's working. Bloody Samsung couldn't take care of this. It's a brand new washing machine. It's only 1 week and we faced with this force error.